Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to a new video. So today I'll be doing a first impression review on the BLK K-Beauty collection line. Starting off with this product, this lip gel is actually a decent product. There's a tinted lip balm that has a very nice everyday natural color, and it also has a lip exfoliant scrub. So this product overall smells amazing. It works, it exfoliates and hydrates, but then again, it wasn't something that I was too impressed with, but it still did the job, so that's okay. I forgot to fill my brows in before I started filming, so I had to quickly do that. Moving on to the base, I wanted to give this product a little bit more screen time and showcase it because originally I wasn't supposed to buy this. There's only 2 shades available, so I was a little bit hesitant on whether or not I should buy it and try it out, but I bought the second shade, which is medium, number 2, and as you can see from the demonstration, it's one of those BB creams that start off as a white cream, but it has this technology where the more you blend, it naturally blends into your actual skin tone, and thankfully it matches my skin tone, so from then I actually really like the product already. And just to read a little bit about the product on the packaging, it just claims that it's your skin but better. It refreshes your complexion, and it also reveals a more skin perfecting, smooth, even toned finish. It also includes moisturizer in the BB cream, so it's supposed to soften and nourish your skin, while these light reflecting illuminators included in the formula helps create a flawless glow. So it's one of those base products that is great for everyday wear. If you're someone who likes a more minimal, very light makeup, this would be great. It's very easy and it blends very naturally into the skin. Also, it is a light to medium coverage, so it is more on the natural side in terms of a base product, but I think this is great for those days when you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, or you have to just quickly go out and you don't really want to head out bare skin. So yeah, I was just really impressed with this because it just blended so naturally and evenly, and it actually just really makes your skin look better. So it was a very interesting product, and I'm glad that I got to try it out because this is actually one of my favorite products from the collection. As much as I do enjoy the light medium coverage from this BB cream, here's a little trick that I like to do if ever you kind of feel empty with this very light natural finish. So I would use a more full coverage concealer that's a little bit more lighter, like 1 shade or 2 shade lighter than your actual skin tone, and I would conceal and highlight the inner parts of my face, focusing more towards my dark circles, my chin, my nose bridge. Sometimes I would spot conceal, but this just really helps bring in more focus onto the inner part of your face rather than the sheer coverage on the outer. So yeah, that's just a little trick. Based on the formula of this BB cream, I knew that this would be something I would have to set for my oily skin. I feel like it would kind of wear down over time thanks to its lightweight formula, but yeah, I'm just lightly setting it with my favorite powder. To match the more natural coverage look, I'm just bronzing my face with a tinted powder foundation from BLK. Onto this unique creamy all over paint product. I love how unique this product is. So it's a cream based product that you can use for multiple applications, like your cheeks as blush, your eyelids for eyeshadow, and your lips for a natural looking lip tint. It's a very flattering shade against my skin tone, so I was very pleased with the shade that I chose. As you can see from the demonstration, I am using my fingertips to blend out the color just slightly on my eyelids for a little bit of a base color, and I also use a brush for this, and when I apply this onto a set powdered face, it still blends nicely. It doesn't cake, it doesn't cling onto the powder, it actually dries matte, so I feel like this would be great for a summer kind of makeup product because it's actually very long lasting, and on top of this I do set it with powder for extra security, and when I wear this it lasts all day, so I'm very pleased with this product, and this is actually one of my favorites from the collection as well. For this liquid eyeshadow, this is another product that I do enjoy as someone who wears very minimal eye makeup. It's a shimmery rosy brick pink shade that works really well for this whole K-beauty themed inspired concept and look, so I'm just applying it onto the middle part of my eyelids to add some dimension and highlight, and then I'm also blending this with my fingertips, and then I will apply mascara onto the upper and bottom lashes just to help brighten and open up my eyes because I'm not using eyeliner for this little look, and I'm also applying the same liquid eyeshadow onto the inner corners and blending it out with a detailed brush. The K-beauty collection actually has a lot of lip products, and when I think of K-beauty OG essentials, I actually think of a lip tint, and I got the shade Red from the All Day Lip and Cheek Water Tint. And first of all, the jelly water consistency of this lip tint is so comfortable, hydrating, and easy to apply and blend on the lips. You can easily create that OG K-beauty lip gradient look with this product while still not emphasizing texture or dryness on the lips, so I actually do appreciate that quite a lot. And you can also apply this as a full lip look that used to be quite trendy back then as well, so it was very interesting and fun to kind of go back to the old K-beauty OG trends, and you know, it's very comfortable, so I actually enjoyed this product a lot, and it's quite long lasting as well, so I did have a hard time kind of removing this. On to the last few lip products. So I actually have 3 that I will swatch for you guys today. Originally one was for my mom, but for today's video I'm just gonna show it all to you guys. And yeah, there's 3 shades. They look very similar to each other, but they all have different undertones. So Carnation actually has a more lilac, kind of a soft lilac purple undertone to it, and as someone who has really dry lips, I do enjoy these velvet mousse textures because they're hydrating and they kind of hide fine lines and lip texture on the lips, and my lips are very dry, so these are my go-to type of lip products. And the second shade that I'm swatching right now is Hibiscus, and this has a more MLBB undertone. It has a more brown brick undertone, so I actually like this shade quite a lot. And the next shade was something that I was most surprised with, and this is Rose, which has a more plum undertone to it. On camera it kind of looks more pink, but in person it does have a hint of purple undertone, and it's been a while since I've had a purple kind of shade lip product, so I was actually very pleased with this shade and surprised, and I think this is my favorite out of the 3. Although it's not long lasting, it still adds a little tint to the lips, so just be careful of that. And there's actually another, oh my gosh, this is the All Day Matte Intense lipstick. So this bullet is actually very interesting. It has 2 shades, so the first swatch is the light shade that I am applying all over on my lips, and it's a very soft kind of coral pink shade in my opinion. Very everyday friendly, kind of like a more neutral nude pink shade. And then I'm also applying the red shade onto the inner parts of my lips to create that K-beauty lip gradient look, and I think that's what the lipstick was for. Other than having 2 shades in one, I think it was more for a gradient look. But I'm also applying the red shade all over as a full lip, and this is a very toned down muted red lip, so it's perfect for everyday wear. It's not too bright, so that was actually really nice as well. And There's one more lip product. No, I'm actually just reapplying that soft pink shade from the lipstick, and then I'm applying rose onto the inner parts of my lips to create that final gradient lip look for this entire first impression review video. So yeah, I had a lot of fun playing around with these lip colors, and overall I was really impressed with this entire collection. I enjoyed quite a lot of the products. Excuse the cringy cuts, but I needed something to end this video. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!